apart from say fifi boafo ne boss the chocolate be bre me no na odi abre eye multimedia jumako nyina no say yes so etimi eya do etimi pay ya na me cameraman solo pay ya no so we di wadaroma enye once no ni hwe kwa anya je always enti eja ompe no was chocolate fia bi na kitikiti ni bi no ye de ma crutch for nkola kitikiti no eja obo bi gu mi sem na me say ye ma ye menye ni sai edi sa cameraman ma obi na so akoma ayi cleaner bi na security man so akoma ayi chief executive bi na edi afrasa de bi ada no ye kasa kire odo a entwen ma o twen sa ade bi besi from so na ye no obi kura obi do obi obaso otwen ano otimi kase o sid edan yo besi ndaben na wa de kura otimi frank o gina se enioma nketin onko ahụ chire mu da na abu so okwa ahụ chire ma na abu zampa so lo body trinko so okwa ahụ chire ma na abu ze ye incredible boy de onuga no twa abu ze de so atase o fese me kan no peso ameka se me nka se na 14 February 2022 Valentine's Day metimi aka e won kan ka se na ma me mafia me ma na china me nshase ne mo wesa kasa na afi wati ase ade ba kwa me the swiftness of the Ghana Police Service and rather meeting in common me hwe nkomo na me kinkan nkomo no e wa lambushi o se lambushi go say for northern region it was so worried, very worried, but anopay aposi for kata on dia babo nteno aposi for nsia kwaya interdict omo e de omudini na betu dwama it's just too welcoming but benim the entia baby aye precoce e betre nyoma ma anya didie wo institutions mu ne nyoma na enipa binom so out of whatever omokoso tu anamo ense na emfata na de efi ebeka enyuma ahodo titu police ejumako no it's very worrying nti abusuafo nso a eja etututu no komo a mo bi mo aka no aposifo tuli perfin kan ha a mo ba abenhwemu kase pa na etimidi yi atu enti mo ma bibia enko eye adwobro boko kama enakoye eye juade ma minya Kofi Ampede Welbeck ne team ne so a meka ho bi jana ntaba kase so a mo bibia chiama na kwaba aka chense yes you can say tibia fiamachi
yeah oba
well and then what you saying
onyame adom
bibia na me kwaso
so ma de achi
no bia expect so the red the ka show
and body number
obia say bia ma kwa the red the betum body ne ni abre no problem aye adwuma am affecting me aye adwuma wa otu o say aye adwuma no wo fi say aye adwuma na o di abesi utimi say aye adwuma no wa wasem onipadua ntimi tu kwan ma wo dey watu a wa brave onipa wa pọ no wa pọ so cameraman wo sire nyina wasema o say aye adwuma na say o say ashina from
Christopher mabre ne kan say dey wo kan sa northern region
yeah
the best ready say omaya botre
oh Charlie
omaya botre because ye kan bia na from so no kura na bia pa se bia ne nke free de nam ne so no na bambofo ye omadwuma nso abutre nti se ase abu abo bambofo
yeah
nti ye kwa ye ba nyina ne se rade maya botre bi se wo kwe wan hwa no akohia ogigifo nti se wa ma rade amo abotre pa wan hwa de obeye no na afia do kwa ba sa oze se obi adwuma kura ya abo no
enye papa
sanke enya abotre kakra bi bebi odwane ko hye enya abotre gina wo twen ye ema de wo se ye bia ye ya bia enye ni okay kufo a wo mo twom akọ mo ba bi etu ka emo ya
enye papa
kura se rade no ma ya abotre
eno nti na bibia da ye ka wa se usori a na onama utimi coffee ti anopa bedu fie anwumera don't take it for granted sa di utiri pa beto mpaso pa ohun anti asembia mesa wa it's not
even no community crowd with mo so wo mu na won te boni
anya easy process
and okra no pe ameba misaka no se me ni intro de bebe camry bi black one bi Ga East Junction hospital ho junction ho kakra na me hwese de car na tete no am say ahaya na etimi amaka na mo ma manhu other one say bi ono obi ne hia ba sa na so ono a am say rade me ya botre ne fa botre drive na awurade no ne bambo na wo ye so dada no esan ya botra ye wonti no na se adoso na ye firi nkwanhia mane ene nsohwe mu so mo bi ani na ho na ene aye bosumi we kura nye ene nko a ye nchire odo se de na kwabna
so presently na nipa do na so birthday they be symmetry KK fosu anodi kan be symmetry ye onipa bebre a na ye o ma woda
ochia me amu akoda kwa ai
ayo kasa yeah because wow
ai ne mame
oh wow
ochia me ade na fa hia because me bo mame di yes ne mame na nya 80 years
ochia me mako da kwa
ne mame eni o mame
wow
o mame de say antia fiat ne wa wo brahaba bo me 80 years o brahaba bo me low cost obuase brahaba bo me low cost
I see
fiat ne wa o so mo hwe pa anti obatampa 14th February nyame do ba asase so polo 80 years
enye joke
enye bete oyade ti nyame shira no shira pa ne kunu so oyade so obo machine ho ban bo nipadua no ho ban ti ama wanyini kama nti wo ma wo chiame amu akoda kwa ne wo ma ne nyina me yen so ye wo ha wo hwe ye nyina ye wish you a happy birthday nyame shira no onye okese pa
so obi out obi no if you believe in Valentine we wish you happy Valentine's Day they can say koso na demonstrate the genuineness in terms of love actually baby you find yourself bia and then nyanko enye nyanko beyond as I say it me to sa anamon mame enka obi so say ye ka say ade ba kwa so hunu say no nsia ko fa kase no eno achi no na masa kai wo say ade a na kwa adwade ahosepene agokansi beba na afi ye de afisem so asoso ama na afi ye de empese so atwa so e de ama quickly in Kratani bi atodwa me boy dey shoot whilst I'm going through in Kratani or me be 9 bi ho onso abetimi afra fam I wish you be a happy birthday no a happy Valentine onso be jiwa to mana se bi ase bi kra da wa person ka onso
ene ye na sadia na ene me wish ya ha adwumayfo nyina happy birthday
Daily Graphic say Snit 6 strategic partners for 6 hotels and chocolate day Otunfo urges increased consumption of cocoa. The big one, transforming petroleum sector, boast earmarks 200 million Ghana cedi for projects, 6 depots to be automated. And what's Daily Graphic and so at the above. The new publisher say Adjoa Safo sabotage the Kufuado, can Japan open fire, party elders meet over here, and then Napo denies retirement from parliament. And Kuman on hunger strike. It was the publisher, the Obokrata, so Eddie and also Abba. Yeah, the Herald is over 5 million Ghana cedi going into Akufuado's 10-day trip. Yet wants levy and what's and so the Herald, the Obokrata, and so the Abba. The Ghanaian Times, anybody say MPA outlaws tabletop fuel stations, wages war to prevent disaster. And what's so about the Ghanaian Times. And Ghana Health Service administers 12.1 million COVID-19 vaccine doses nationwide so far. And also in the Chefra, the Daily Guide, Jomro MP has 2 dates of birth. And what's Daily Guide? It's not deal with the Nipa do don't know my Ghana, BTA. Snit. It's your papa name, mammy, no more. Or no one teen, maybe be at Jane and Obako. Me will fight at the date with the mammy. And I missed the while should do with the mammy. It's not lucky party. Yeah. In the Daily Guide, as you say, Daily Guide is Jomro MP has 2 dates of birth and e-passport daisies NDC starts 1st March. 7 illegal lotto campaigns arrested and free zones collective export exceeds $27 billion. But
mankind no pay ya muache dase
so
papa
mami chia before video so na mi chia chama ble na mi chia anadon Akufuado na no wish my girlfriend if you no Sophia to Adom and na your birthday and so your Valentine nti ono so ka Omo na omanye na kai but onum nti no want to yanka yanka ho nti mama kai omanye se nso na ya do ni girlfriend so ye wo no ene na Valentine so afi ene
na ba be na owo anu no na be na owo anu
nze manyi na se
o say
Sophia to Adamu nti no we no birthday
me say o girlfriend na be na owo anu
oh why you kwai look my hole
and so look man no pay ya chia mu akwaba
hey ahafofo me so megemo so
that's papa
ahafofo ne yahie ai me mamu nyina Valentine special wine pa na me de mamo na chocolate no moteti studio ho na chocolate na free kuma se dia e dia to mo kan ho e se dia yes Valentine ya de chocolate na edie ai sa pepepe na afie wone omanhene nyame hira mo na me Valentine de me de ma no kese eye wonimonyamfo John Allan Kwadwo Kyerematen the best trade minister ya Africa ha nyina yenya no papa no na hobrase ana de nenam nti wonimonyamfo John Allan Kwadwo Kyerematen da kyehene me kasa akra masori awosi guagumie ye me man Valentine Day me man happy special pa na me de man wo woni ye tosu bi no ye wura John Boadu the general secretary also me man happy Valentine Day o ma hene woni afia modde ndie samadika ka say special me chia mu nyina nyame hira mu nyina na wo mu nyina
that's look man ya that's papa pasamenso ahoma no so samia no pe ya that's mu akwaba
me do so ni abaye te say
yankopo adom ya that's pass so afre yentie de wo wish no
ma me fa fidie so entia me boss onabo bra champion abeti PMP me ni communal santi nyina yem boss o afianso so boss ni bi me mano happy Valentine Day enna na nadu danko akufuado enna Dr. Mamudu Baumia na afia we de me nkomo bi kakra nkomo a me wo mo ho se wo mu station se afia ma mon betas ma mi ensa no em se wo pen nipa wo shekawa sasin we commerçant we me board charge ma report ma me boss so na break
na de ni me
de me tie ni pacho aha mi tie wa
na de o purchase nipa mi no sheka na wo achi no kra so wo ni di achi na me ametwa me de manum ko mari
me fa last call na afofo so me feel ni pacha me odo ye mo akwaba and I went to me anyina so
but say ade na wo no solo crash re me manum ko mawija wo na wo ba kire me de ya wa na say
sa wo de efi akoko
manum ko mawija
o ma wo pe fi akoko
asemi nyina no
so jama
ba de die kire so ati wo o fe bia obusa wo ya che obia ya kofa no sia kase no na afi no achi jumedi di so ile TV dia bro ya kwaba
chen ye mwakwa Badom TV no sia kase so edwara no pensa masie na braso sa wuti bie sa Adom kase ne etodwa wo mu bi a wo bete ne bambofo ye wo la mashigu ene mabuna wo hode aboni ye bebo awram na fenchiremu no wate enipa miensa ato na nanom nsie do wo Akrokari Junction wo boase eno ene sembi na no pa mere bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo ba Facebook/Adom TV akase no ewo ho me amesom wani di ma no pai midi edi afia amankwa tamaklo afei tie seden samni chiremu ankasa etie aposifo ye wo shrement fido ene mabunu bi ye wo la mashigu enso de abani ni nyina ne ye obabunu bi a na wo motata no ne ka wo register ne ho sensem bebie ri akire tututu anenam mu ne koso Adom TV kase edeba.
Following that information, in fact, I asked my driver to drive straight to La Machinance Palace. When we got there, the crowd was too much, and even my reception was not encouraging. Not by the chief and his elders, but by the youth around. Good. I entered and he said, "Your man was nearly to be lynched, but he has been brought inside." So find a means to take him away.
Mianto akasiado so nipa miensa to na nanmo nsiado baba ko na emema emienu na wohwemu a womo ye Toyota minibus yi ebi ene free Kumase ekọ takrade ane tai ewa kirede no epaye ewa Krokeri Junction oboase anwen kwanta kwantempon no so Adom TV amanobofo duru ho nsam no yetwa so na ye sa ensem no emu a woni amanoboni Isaac no menye odi nkomo no DSP George Usu Abuaje oboase divisional MTTD commander the Tudwase Toyota Haze and the number aye AK276-22 no so afa enipa be 15 and one more air bank when she ebaye say ya make us say one a prepare no oboase government hospital ye do one more akọ sanso no shenkani no so wadwane yenhu no mayento so nkonsam foforo emu na make say stores ahodo be enso eno so ahye dwerebe wodunkwa ochechere station eye apa denchira east bensimo ewo finfini mantemu na wohwemu akwasiada ahomachi no mienu ebremu enija no ehye ase ya shops a ebembe honom ne de ahye Adom TV kase edeba yentoa anopei kase no esopromoto a emu nsem ni nyina no ye de bebremo na district director ya wo share health services so adanse asokwa David Kunta enei wodi atodwa se ema a afafro ene mayonkuma a wo mo fafro de dodo no ano HIV/AIDS emwa wonu mu no aba woni padua mu a 2021 year performance review ase ene om de sansemi etu edwa na enu mu no directorate no de ensama tudwa kire mu mpro wani nsen wo munya 336 ya wo hwe emu no so a mampanifo a wo mu akasa so enyi nsen ye aduanan a won nipa no nyina no ebeto odwa se HIV/AIDS mo awono ewo nipadua no emu de santi won ade afutuo kokobo ema de hye ne titwiru so won mu ebehyiehye sukufo ene emabunu sebaya nkomodie bekoso titwiru ewo HIV/AIDS mo awono mu na afempewani senso so eho kasakire etumi akọ ama emabunu no Penny kwanchefo ya wada maslog ano eye mame hajia abibatas shani mahama ene wode atudwa achechire mu se bunu mantam no emu no womu a age bosia ewo maslog ho no gie no mu aye monyo kakra be mfie enum a ekoi no emu ensem no aye bokode nanso ni nyina mu no omguso ye adwumadene sebe ya wonsa betumi aka kanafo wonso ehia bie na nya bie Adom kase etoso
Ayubaha, he say, Maslow, in the last 5 years, under His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, yedi sika bebre aba Bono region. Na recovery ne enya ade a ye proud of ente. Ene ye ba Bono a ye regional author na Bono na ye first regional ye buy. Ente anope ye pese ye nshia stakeholders naka ye nkasa de omi ebe ya. We are appealing to them. Debeya ombetua sikana ye di breomo.
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwe no na ayenso no district assembly no edi sika 67,000 ama yenuano masabi wodi dam ewo mansin no mu a wonsom enipa aduasa emu no ebi munya 500 ekọ 700 eni nyina agina ne wo edi ye bi mu ya apomodin die mu ebi mu so eye de wode to so akongumasuo mu Adom kase edeba
stakeholders naka
before I met sign name ya me dem o me hwe mu yi almost 67,000 emu bi na edi bi to diffusers enu bi na be dodo na so mpesika dodo na be se 60 na 85 na ese om pesika nti om bi sa ne ma laptops and diffuser am de be ye adwuma no ene e de ma om so far so good but minim say subsequent ones na beba no sika ne kan sape se release ma omo no mo so ye moa na ban no ode boa omo ode ye so masen nti ne be stress obi a won saka bi no obe use ni ye na ho abamfa so ama wo ene wabusua
Mayento akase no so na Adom kase ebuapra hwe aban enema hodo bi odisi na ni so obeye ebi te se one district one factory ewo asinfo sumansim wo mfimfini mantemo ewo mu sa aban no hwe bo no homoden wo oil mill factory bi eho na fe warehouse a wo hwe mo homo chichemu badu okono de wo no mahunu wo mawie nenso ade hye wo kro no mo kra wo mu hunu hwe kra wo mo nte kra se pro dwumadie bi etisa ekoso ewo ho Adom kase etoso
me pacho me ade me hu bi wa ha se bi aba ha mente hwe kura one factory na wo kan me ebi ma ha
nya de me hu bi wa ha o saba na me hu ida yanka sa de me hu bi wa ha
pacho ebi ndu ha se afi na aban be shira ya na obedum ye na ebi be bad ya
one this one factory minti bi mboda me hu one this one factory bia ai wa hefa fifre ya ni ati ni adidi nkakra wa ha aduma bia ni wa ha aha MPP stronghold ade na MPP for my wa ha munya hwe ma me MPP full supporter mi di partner chief from Odubu ahen to ayi kofo ansana we eba ya di akire a woni ngoma ye ndi wasem
Mayento akase no so biemu executive director na chief executive officer Dema Topman Multimedia Institute no ede atons entrofo nyina anim se wonomo enhwe wadwuma mu no mahu ni suro bia enhwe wonomo emu Dominic Amponsa ene de nsemi etu dwa se ene ya womo abeje ntete ekwo sense entrofo no ntete ede ma wo hu wo school no wo hwe so obeye no kwaridie propreye enimu akotene nemom mema wonkodi sikachi anaso obi tumi achi nkoye de ebegu nsentwe adwuma no ho efin Adom kase edeba
Yeah, ensemtroni and I say yeah, ensemtrofui. There are so many things that yes, you have government never mind equina yaka the good and the bad aspect because one thing about the politics in the world and it's media is there to speak the truth. And if it is good, we have to talk about the good side. If it is bad, we have to talk about the bad side. And you see, a good side, near with the near bad side, near with the now. If we say I've said the truth, and in the ABR, BB Abatomia, and Kaye, and ma a bimo chance, and more kind of crane, but it shouldn't intimidate us.
Mienya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase anope na ha ne bema kwan na media sie mi amesomo no medin ede afia amankwa atamapla akudie mo nsam oba na afa ya hosepenso abafisem wo ho ene nyambrema ye na afa pensempensem ye da se ye kwaba
Adom TV so bedwam media so dia wo kansi ho sempan sa kana no penso ja medin de Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch bakope the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter Adam Messin kunya ekono kwanten kode nsema do ensaka ena no penso e Ghana gudim ejao ye de ni etia kyerem e FIFA Club World Cup akensikesi etmensa to dwade na final grand finale etmensa to dwa Chelsea etimi eche eye Palmeiras for twomekam a womotimi ete bako enti na se FIFA Club World Cup akensikesi etime call grand finale Chelsea for and champions e akensikesi etmensa to dwanim yenti ntom e EPL matches awdo no so etmensa PM a Manchester United eche Southampton for number 1-1 and after so Brentford and Crystal Palace 90 minutes of soccer fiesta the scoreline was by being with the opposition Quantina all 0 and at 8 PM Everton 3 Leeds United 0 Watford 0 Brighton and Hove Albion 2 and after so Burnley 0 Liverpool 1 Obama Newcastle United 1 Aston Villa 0 Tottenham Hotspur 0 Wolverhampton 2 and after so Obama Leicester City and after so West Ham United and so about 2-2 e Mackenzie Kesia and also etofem ya no yenkomo e Ghana Premier League GPL sena matches this year course week 17 nano efiada brekum Chelsea for ne Bechem United ebo 1-1 na fememeda no Kumasi Aston de ko timi chi Accra Lions en Kranjata etwom 3-1 e Mackenzie no kweseda matches e ba so ni Aduana Stars 3 and after 11 Wonders 0 RTU 0 House of Folk 0 and after so Great Olympus 1 Elimina Sharks 0 Ashanti Go 2 Gold Stars 2 na fe so do ani echima Mediama Sporting Club any Teams Football Club na ensubra ni bi eto na chini wa berinti epia sa kensie no e de ahye eye da foforo
Kotoko gets a pet. Can he convert this time? Etuga makes it easy. It is 2-0 for Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Before the break, the Porcupines are up by 2. Christopher Champon. Here is Awuni with a cut back. Che goes down. Is a penalty. Accra Lions.
You see the Blaze is trying to close the gap. It's good play from Blade, to be honest. He sees the space in there and it's gone down, and it's actually while he's rolling. Maybe could have opened up an opportunity for them to counter.
Sheriff to Etuga. Etuga.
Opened up an opportunity for them to counter.
Sheriff to Etuga. Etuga.
The goal that would have been, it was a lovely pass down the channel, but credit to the run. Etuga is aware of where the goalkeeper is, just lobs it over him, and credit to
waiting for his goalkeeper to show up. Justice play. Here is a Japan. Koroko get out of the block so impressively, and Etuga stays onside. Does he get his hat-trick? Etuga, he grabs his hat-trick and makes it 3-1 for Asante Kotoko. His second hat-trick of the season. Got a hat-trick against Ashko, and he has a hat-trick today. 11 goals this season for the Cameroonian wonder boy. Mbella Etuga is Kotoko 3, Accra Lions 1.
Now you can sing his name. You can sing his name. The name is Etuga, and he's got a hat-trick for himself today. And look at the run in behind this man. Lovely timing of the run. Could go over the top. Big space in behind him. Rounds the goalkeeper and then finds the back of the net. Frank Etuga. What is there not to like about him? Really? What is there not to like about a player of such calmness?
And here we go. Awaku gets us going, and is up against Rashid Mensah. Here is Isaac Mensah. He's missed. Glorious opportunity for Isaac Mensah.
He did so well to weave past the bodies, but once he got one-on-one with the goalkeeper, all he had to do was to just guide the ball into the back of the net.
Corner, he swings one to the far end, and it's Nkrumah Kosa. Caleb Amankwa goes in with a challenge on Victor Edu. Referee whistles, he reaches his pocket.
And if the referee thinks this is a foul, then it's going to be a sending off, really, because the last man, Fatau, is out of the picture. As the referee on the far side and has settled on the yellow card, which then would mean that it's the second yellow card. It is a sending off.
It's a red card for Caleb Amankwa. Kwamboachi for RTU. We're in the 3rd minute of stoppage time. RTU coming close, and Isakuka.
Nyame adom a we ene matches ebetien sa piem ene Mediama Sporting Club ne Dreams Football Club akense ne subana ne yeto ene nyame adom a ena no pay nundu 10 pepepe e wotakwa na akense ne 18 atofa Moses Amapa ka ne Heroes Park on betra ase ahwe sa akense kese ense be a omrante ne betin edi nkunim obamu ene akense no so Lagos City omoso ebeton sada fe kuma second Faisal Haji Abdul Karim Gusa ne team no na omo edi aboso e honom afi yenkom enkom kakra tim sa piem e wo sa akense achi a after second call 18 match on Bobreno. Coach Dr. Prosper Nete Ogum on the Nkomo Eja.
Because we have 2 positions that were a bit unnatural with players in that position. Those players that we played, for instance, Lamptey playing on the left side, which is unnatural about him, and then Boateng also playing on the right side, which is not natural. So he gave Accra Lions the opportunity in the initial stages of the game to have control in the middle of the park. So when we saw that, we quickly decided to.
Nti Kumasi Asante coach Dr. Prosper Nete Ogum and attending cancer after so record a 3-1 victory no on the Nkomo Eja. Yaba has full for catch Samobodu Kumasi Technical University students or marketing students. Now rest on them AC course for patient supply and no rest on the Messi course on a coach at the Accra House of Folk patient supply students on also Nkomo after so board.
Next game, you can see that House of Folk people were thinking that without central defenders we cannot play. But I believe my boys, and I know that I said that I am building all-round team. If we don't have Kwaku, Kwame is there. So this shows that all the players out there can also bring out their best. It was a very nice game.
And today there were a couple of chances you had in that first half. Most of them falling to Isaac Mensah. Is he a worry that you are not taking those chances?
Yeah, being a coach is a worry to me because when you get such a chance and you misuse it, when opponent get that particular the same chance.
Nti coach Samuel Bodu, President of Plus Students, Kumasi Tenka University, and attending Council coach has a full carton Como, 8 me SA Jan, Jeffas Health Limited, Eddie Jeffas, Edward Tatashi, and Etachi Jeffas, Rememanum, and Mansonum, Syphilis, Guria, Candidiasis, Fita White and Asudi Puanachua, Jeffas Edri, Ebitiabua, Nano Queseda, Anopa, Behaso Edem. Only Jeffas can save a drone boy Juma, more than that sounds a bit in a cabby. Sounds on a 1x bet. I've always told you that betting is better than Saka. Our bet you trying before and I didn't before. And in Tiabusia, Japan, says Kaoko and Asasia, I'll bet Yakoton. Farina be gusso, ne trying before, Nedini before. A sunset 1x bet and our penquadia bets beating Sabua. Mr. Winnie moving with found him and I feel so crown. Western Mexico, so you be an asymmetry and faint bets. Bet with what you can afford to lose. Sika beating me, actually, Sika did you light bill, what I be then canon. Faint bet in yes idea with triple boom. Why do you beat me a Sancho? More than that, so per bet there and 1x bet. Madama, woman that touched the woman and a person there who can see him some pine sack at me jaw. Hard work and revolving and oscillating reporter said you Manuchu Nadama. Only team is semi so Eddie Aja Bernard Padibu more fascinating pon a man on pencil. You then come on 18 Sabremo or more directly showing them to check the mamu and after senior most osmosis and also an a boy in terms of Mike and the Ubwa and the acid action on Lydia. Western Nema ACT a wonderful camera crew near Moswa, a shabwa my knee near Matin Sankoye, who can make up and so Umina Tachi Bois and my name to you. Within the Enoch. Kwesi Walanyo Wallace, a good catch back up and I'm of course. Evidence-based presentation to me, Jao. The act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.
Okay. Good morning. Kwawa Sonko, the bedroom. I was a pair of Mezido. Now, and I pay allow my mama who film bone rofi. Atasa. Mohu feel papa. And pay anya careful move away. And so no need dara or can hold the maranity no mama more a happy Valentine's Day. Now any be a happy Valentine's Day achenana. What's the boss is What's members of numbers so because and I pay about course tonight and I was it was of home and I munchum I should pass by and I pay a happy Valentine's Day yet. Okay. It's no Jumezino, Arada, Mezebro, we are pay Boko events under that when you bought your children come more events being big events. Oh, Chrome had it. Amaran so and more celebrities one Val's Day messages be a JJ as no very interesting. More had a minuning that Minoba check Ninara. Now so no before Minoba is the monk no me guests. Oh, fear had it. Now, Mamma can require being sure the order be a new honoma or chat Jesus no doom. Odo biara enyu ho no ma o twa yakopon no da owo mahenu nti no say here is the Valentine's Days are no more gospel artist bi wo fi hade onymre ba kan nyame na asam o so no very necessary very necessary mama Alice wa akwa Alice akwa
yeah enia
na gospel artist
okay
nti abanyoma na sisi ara za to for mama hen
enyoma sisi a ewo ho eye Yesu nim.
Okay.
Yesu nim.
Okay. Na Yesu onyima bazi.
Onim bibia.
Okay.
Say yete hey. Say wo dofo. Say we need dofo. Val's Day. Yesu nim bibia. Whatever situation bia. Wo mu ene day bia. Me pese me catch obia say Yesu
nim.
Onim.
Okay.
Onim.
Okay. Na echade Alice Lichioma. Sa ne pempo se nyidofu bia Yesu nim.
Yesu nim enti me pese me kire say. Uni dofu bia krampa.
Yesu nim.
Say Yesu onim bibia enti no.
Oba fixo.
What you say?
By time.
Ode be she ho enti me empre wo ho.
Okay.
En ha wo ho bebre. Yesu do na be kurakura wo mu. Se bi ni ho a.
But itedo edwom no ma yente edwom ne kakra na yembre sisia Yesu nim Alesewa wo yente ne yembre sisia
onim die ya unina mensu Yesu di onim die ya unina etie ni huwa onim die ya unyina mens yesu di onim die ya unyina onim die ya unyina mens yesu di onim die ya unyina kawakoma tu ye ati say esioni moja want to me in frabra bonsani
oh ajobre ya beda pa because I register enyom
pa
because ebia na refa bibim wan ko tin nyim but yakopon nyim zo hia
onim
and pay oyon kransha se sonko zama obi bia retain hen oyon kransha sam kese pa into no ale so obi pa enyum bia hefa na obenya enyum
so open enyum bia aba bontin
okay.
It's available on all the guitar stores, Boom Play, Amazon, Deezer, iTunes, YouTube.
Okay.
And the video is also there. Inti ubetumi akoho, ako download it.
Masha say na Erica de made song.
Me pa try no dey di kan kra. Me dey atiesim.
Na experience me to the name.
Oh. Yeah, okay. It's okay. It's normal.
Any challenges so far?
Oh, challenges there. Menyebi.
Okay.
Especially kasemu ne emwasemu. It isn't all that easy, but we are still seeking for help and more and favor. And you say nyankopon ni mi there. He will see us through.
Come back at your party. Yes, nkwaze. Dey here biara no was back on. Was back on. Video no so I me feel papa. Who the abaka pa. Video no abaka. Oh,
inyo.
Sika kon ho.
Akompa, sika komu ye.
Ebe talk atasa.
Amen. Amen.
If you know Alice me da say papa da ne pay ebo pay mu hade na enye na kaza Yesu nyim. Because ebi no mo na nyibri sam papa na mo nsam bebre wa de mpede me mahwefo change no me da se papa de
me so me da se pi
into no no asam nyinara nyen Yesu nyim nti ane pe se onkoye Yesu nyim obeye papa no obeye papa no zo obeye na yegudu ayere ka nyame na asam ya na mamofo wonko awake experience concert no ase hey in the Dina Hamilton. Oh, mama no why you show Moses nanka hade no abonse mama no because mama no why you show papa papa. What? Concert na say yeah the papa me who a lot of gospel artists and entertainment personalities bebre o ho no ma yen share highlights no na yen bra sisia.
Mesafos wa hawa aduna asha wo white pa asaw ma so mudi makeup nya and I enjoy
what has from you.
I
enjoy to the fullest. Na ma badana program na nyame adom esani say ya nyame adom na ho konkon na ne ba ne sentre ne sani na megina ho masa but I've shaken the devil off. Yes, the worship time, the dancing time, even the little speech she made as an encouragement. Everything bibia wada na ho bia ye nkranhye na ndwuma oto nyina aye nkranhye ehye na ma musenya me bi wo ho enka chi ye eno nti me ba the program sa I me shema
at the year to her anointing say flow and kasa like she's really gifted and she has the oil on her and we appreciate and respect the oil on her.
Na say on your way here Perez Dome see the sheho mano enough and the yakun nyame aye Perez Dome no eye ma na to so ahyɛ no ho nyam hyira ka ne din na yɛahwɛ ya fa so so ada yɛaboafo no ase nipa ɛbɛtae yɛkyi na yɛka ne sɛ twɛ ne apo nyame ɔnhyira wɔn na ɔnom wɔn na wɔnka wɔn Adom multimedia sɛ mo sɔ yɛasene ɛyɛ partners na yɛka ne sɛ nyame ɔnhyira mo
and you know in that two major shows and occurred over Chrome had a no fun and day yes da ba ya chill da ba now so do I win Valentine I'll come eh pick a crow pick a crana come man not Valentine's Day yeah I make bibi I make bibi show be for free now many was the awake experience common area no mama phone to fan hen shades of love what in that show no or mind blowing minimum celebrity I mentioned or honor me share a lot of celebrities the performances no was on point it was so on point big ups to you Akobwa and that show no or well organized as a coupe na mampe as a coupe in a mampe now so no much na ashe highlights no maba na za mampe no mabo Yazimu aza oye yo panye de ebe ya ankunam na wakuti ine na mabrabo imu nso no se inyo obi umoso unsam na se nyipa ne to ase na so do a na onyuru twa abrabo akwentu na oye do papa itu do akaba sonko Sarah de mizimenyu achrom o shades of love ya koboa no concert oze adofo but together singles in Arano were invited na artist what full stage here or make you know about perform for the young na head or papa say yes 60 chum performance kobana baba pass you ana kasa so akabo so ogudu ha de na ehwe boss ma crowd no worry boy no do na aha ayado papa into no pede menye couples a wo ha de ni bi no menyo no bakasa na yahwe de umpono worry di wanyu say it's no it's make you na enyi bi no kasa me very assist me better say what why are worry for akwana nigga much our girlfriend ai nanti no so no wo hu na worry di wona enyu oh yeah ji enipa na akwabo na performances already no the why no why is no wanyu aje ho pa oni nyina manage ho ni nyina manage ho say akwabo ya obi a ne nyom no enti ase ewom na story na all kind say ma utimi e follow story na where dey all kind itimi do hu shemu susu mo dey feel pa me feel pa but I say papa na mo ko oni cho hello na but married couple ana
about to get married.
What did I say?
About to get married.
Oh. See, my point what who's shown it then? Me ready day. Now, what who's shown it then?
Oh, I can see it, pa.
Performance is already more hits than when you are Jehovah.
All of it, Nina.
Now, I quite fun, pa.
Yes.
Okay, so what favorite song from Aquaboy?
Yeah, only sing a song there, no,
Bia, Richard, but I was the man. But that's about papa. Now, who carbon #carbon couples, no, or had they in the dark, and they are now what I not to know. Into no sisi are watch them why Mr. and Mrs. Abaze.
Kakaribos.
Hey, anything I don't worry you. Now, so we will pay more had they not. Okay, honeymoon package,
Something like that.
Yes, you are.
Something like that.
Okay, now, Mrs. Enjoy show nana. Yani show na ho pa kama. Yani ho bebre. Na aba performance na wonya oje ho pa. Akwa papa dia no. Mama ye new times bi. What is so kase kwakwa yan kase C9. Aha. Menya akwa papa show na ho pa.
His dad is awesome. Like the old Akoboa is very awesome. Yeah.
That's papa. Na Momofa Tracy Boache. Hey, why so?
Thank you.
Okay, that performance is recorded more.
It's beautiful. I'm enjoying it.
Asa mo enyi bibia mention dance show concert asada mo da. Iti ayam huda wa kakra.
Akobo is my brother, so I came to support him. He's a twin brother. We'll be
a performer.
No, for now, yeah. I came to support him. Yeah.
For wife, yeah.
Bacho Dabi.
Now, what do you want to say?
Oh, BBI can come on. Nice man. And you need to go now. I'm the feeling will be.
Now, Stacy, shades of love. Now, everybody know that expectations better than by everyone also know.
Oh, I'm a chairperson of Akwabua Fans Association. And me, I'm there, and the BBI fine. Me fans on to them but I knew he was going to perform because he's been consistent. He's been amazing over the years, and his music is so matured, and everybody can relate to it. And major many people so Germany. As I buy and one many Genesocrats.
And your favorite performance already?
So far, I think I have eyes for only Akwabua. And I love Dakosie Japan. I love Dakosie Japan. I'm still waiting. I'm very expectant of Becca. Me person me heard the Miaminia at the Pepper stage. It's on a major and
Okay, whereas I highlight you who there and that papa or shades of love. The performances me playing on team and they are still too good. They are still too good. Now tell me can I go pen a mampe. What am I trying to do? I was inside. Oh, Madam Akosia. Ya kwatino what the match before boy album for me and oh, there be on fine. One year bibi wo as next year yam banadam. So no ye nwa je ho papa now so no the way I know your channel no you cool now away from that no who celebrates them no na minim den the Vows Day no so dem bibi bro ho into no me je Vows Day messages afutu kakra won wo baka asabia sam so kakra ni nyina wom wo ma ye ente na ye embraces ya
love month of love right into obia mumien show odo what girl I know what to be ache unya bi so I know I hard
you say Valentine and Valentine woni sika bibia be your time ebia na woni bi ebia na wo bi de wo hia ne say o we try the next person o ho ka for anasa o ba anasa wo fa si anasa bebusuani anasa wadam for say o do ne pa na ne wo hia o eno ano no
dop.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
Well, I mean, ever since I was growing, Valentine's Day a day I bet when you're off from. It's an uncle baby show I'm off from. Well, I say a day let me break here man for. It's in a stress and uncle break here man for. And so see a day your child on a more serious note, a day your child and found say only panel relationship and I saw in the relationship. The minimum saw dot here your child and found relationship. It's a special day. You're the child of phobia.
It's a message and a woman, married couples, and I don't be a single.
Oh,
the other thing, on make a chance say you shouldn't rush into relationship. Also, tolerable, the right one will come. And a married couple, so when them say, our radio and I know my baby room, but I will just tell every married couple out there that they should use today as an example or as a special day. I'm open to me at the higher day, and I'm at your problems. It's all about love. It's all about love. It's all about love. Keep loving and keep loving and keep loving. Obi Yawazana is action. More sign.
Yeah, that's my brother. You're also my brother.
Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you.
Oh, I'm blushing. I'm blushing. Although I don't pass, I'm kind of quite although now, so no, you good idea is Valentine into no, so no, me shut down, maybe some cry, maybe celebrities nibi. That now, Val's Day you cry, no, in the day, no, you listen to done. You're for him, you're okay, him. Uma yente is our vacation.
A chocolate day. I mean, also making sure say one my baby girls in the chocolate. One making sure say a croco baby girls, you know. As much as yeah croco baby girls, you know. No baby girls in the so croco baby boys, you know. No be at me professional. And for Vals Day we there. A fire Vals Day. Fire Vals Day to the baby girls, fire Vals Day to the baby boys. Now, yeah, more fire. Let me give you the
now, imagine. Now, what don't you be a better about to or don't you?
Oh, I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you. Every day and every night we be together. With the roof by over our head, we shall the shelter of my singing. Or say, is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Come on. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? So, Vals Day, Fire Vals Day, yeah.
Now, Vals Day celebration about what then?
Every year, been to ye.
Into our hen, what side?
Me see it.
Why is it low?
Vals Day no adofoda, and unfortunately for me, me dofu ni ha. Into a bit ye, cry. A bit ye, cry.
Into say, honey, Rishawa. Have a young to woman, Vals Day.
That night we met. I never forget that night. That night we kissed. I couldn't forget. You have me make it through that night. You did everything. You made me cry. Since that night, I never forget you.
I'm a raho. Na tattoo mana.
On crowd ye chem. No, better. I already mean to me, oh, my favorite do. I could already mean to me, my dear. Away there. I don't quite mean to me, oh. Osama soon baby, I don't want to yana or no dia no.
For that no. E will be an interest, and said you'll be at Tiasia, but Mimentiasia mono dear. Once obi or her on any coonete, they be a beman you to her. Obanu ye be da, and my new coon cancer so and Nadia may hear me da seda. Sam mano, omontie me Vals Day, omo mukunum, and cancer say, oh, may hear me da say. Obin so hokra na and empana. One and a chempra sa che, senche, yes, a Vals Day yard of foda. Ude uni baby our beco. Uni obi our coy na doye, uni she cry, one so coy crana. Ma panano, our ye bemano, and cancer war ban say, ah, me da say. He said to the beer, the yen and ya name man, ye free member, hose member de be my a member said ye, but Vals Day, the man not true. Tieni yo true. Emma na mema kan kyerɛm sɛ oh me da ase da no Val's Day we dey omo mema no en kan kyerɛm sɛ me da ase
na wa so personal be fa baby ana
me de kasebɔ no sɛ de ɛhyase ahomache bedwam na ya ye awia kasebɔ na ya ye anwumre kasebɔ mpo an makoda because my bre mesa ba na ahomache nti me ne mo betena TV ne so a na yedi me pona me koda na ahomache no masa be som
sweetheart is baba na
no ɛhɔ ne agreke no akire bye bye
o se wo ne agreke no
ye ka no laba
oh I'm Pedro Chema oye koko as Valentine's Day nti no also me chia atwe butentim oh man na atwe romantic atwea o is the cry so no bubble fouls and pedjumeze no me face had my manda ma boafo ase Master Israel no yes set Chris original camera nachos most sound Sandra Abasana kapo emu producer Press Lana man and Adachi Hende na wa directing well back and Pedro producer director madaho nyinara ase papa wo say jembre na enyim ye yi no nyame inshow bebre nyame ya doma oye Wednesday ye basa na ye share sisi araze macro
to fupi was ro kra de o won pede obabi anwum no na waka fanwi na mienwanyu adzindzin na weti se banruko sa woripo na nyimo ne ma na ezekese wie Kim
Yada se papa ya samu akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumadi eso mambot ene ni team no so yada mo se papa wo ne ahosepe se de ko no nyame enhiramo na enetitu no month ni nyina ye odom month de but na 14th ne de na wo Badwam so no ye wish obi a happy Val's Day ye need mo ho too much odo no so mo do so tinka wo se etimi chiche obi a chocolate no ni ade but say man sakra na ye ano keke eyi aye Adam wase appreciate mu akire odo aye dom no a enim se mo adaro mambosom esa ama ye yedam wase mo Facebook/Adom TV yedam wase papa ene ye ba bedi nkomo ehu hia me ye nyina eja hyehye na doso na ya na mpempi no ya na ejina kwan ya ye faso na ye nhuma me kire wire nom ne ade bi wo hwa ya na efri ho ti kwan baby mo wire na nya be 30 years eno ye maintain ne sa na say how many years ne bia wo ho say fie no nhuma no wo sesem kakra ti ye ba bedi enkomo de afa ye wire nom ne ade mo afa na nyame adom si mo dan foforo mesrew enkopo bia area electrician bia keke ene ye bewie no na wa hunu kwan a wo be fa so a se wo ye bibia ye wo wire na baby potia e wo se ukone nkomo no de obi antie bi ba me se wa nya ho kra de bra Facebook be hwe se anwumre na obenya ho a na se waje bre no watena se na fe wo a watie ntimi wo owura Steven nebe yomo ewa ha say program officer energy commission ewa ha na fe owura Francis Mensa Apalu ono so scientific officer wo Ghana Standards Authority ene meshi omo ha me na mpacho me mamu akwaba me mamu official panso afi mi shia ti ya say shia biom de ame ye wish mo happy Val's Day edomo pa na mo adaje mo atimi aba owura Steven udi no nebe ya me woni
Steven ngebe yomo
nebe yomo yada mo se papa enti se de masam na me bon to fan se ehu ankomo an ye bedi na ye wo standard nso ha die obekire de ye papa no enti ehu asam enono ye wo enipakuo bi e wa hamede start energy commission for eso na mehu facility owner certified electrician certified inspector distribution utility and afi energy commission no ankasa ewa ha sa nipakuo be 4 or 5 omadwuma pa no ene say
okay me chia otifo and then so yeah Val's Day so odon kwa odo energy commission ne standards authority ewa mamunti and aye ba be kan ho asem na sa stick nkofon na from stakeholders in the implementation of electrical wiring regulation na essence electricity etumidi ejahihye ebanti ema aban de pass law bi a ye friend electrical wiring regulation ama sa ejahihye na enam electricity eba no masa de NC na omuhwe na far free materials na electricians omudi ye wiring ena nimdia electricians for no omo ebu ha omunni sa enimdie no so my energy commission some certification programs say examination say wo a unim say wo ye electrician bra na be tro exam yen hwe say unim wiring mu ana say unim ena standards authority so omo beba omo so omo be hwe materials no so na facility owner na che say if you wura na or wasini dan a adu baby a wo say omo ye wiring yeah na said any say do sa stage na e was offer electrician na electrician no ombrambe ye estimate emma no o we are materials na electrician na atro say onkoto e was otosa materials no na o we are say sikasem bi wo ha on electrician ni we are also on kwan say electrician no on wire dan no in accordance with the Ghana electrical wiring standards bi wo ha GSA on wire say if you be a Ghana be say na wo say ye wire no ano na ye asede a facility owner na if you were ye pese on this one okay nti sa omo obobo omudi ni nyina e be hye de wakan mu there be ono ye facility owner no kwanda na electrician no ono so ye estimate ni we a e wo so oye wiring of if you know but or we ni wiring na also offer obi a ye friend inspector certified electrical wiring inspector on be hye na ejuma so ena ono sa electrician ena ebetua sa inspector ne ka enye ifiwura na sede odi ashemu dada odi ashemu dada first no na ifiwura na etua inspector but sisi ano electrician no na etua inspector no ena distribution utility omo na omo ye ECG ana NEDCO no na se electrician ni wie adwuma no a ewo certificate a o issue kire se wire adwuma na o se onye no wa wie o issue certificate se wa wie school no sa pepe so sa certificate na ifiwura ediko ECG ana NEDCO na obi a enkita sa certificate no ensese ECG best start application process no emano and energy commission yes so yeah to say who monitors the watchman who watches the watchman so electrician we na juma na inspector akoshe echi energy commission so ye baround na ya ba be hwe ejuma na omo ayese je sese omo ye no pepepe ana and the Ghana for ya say na me say before wo da wo be wie hu wire no na me say nipa be 4 na aba hu obi ane na adwuma and me say na nipa ba kwa agini nyina aboso ya adwene ni hokora efie wura no obehia nipa ba akopɛ any electrician no nkae no onhia omo because omu nyina ayese to say inspector no ana apprentice a ofa omo nyina eye under his request sana ete nti say nipa ba ko na eba ho a otimi ye obi inspector na adwuma ne there be ono na obefre inspector no so sa inspector no oni efiewura endi nkitahu bia because electrician na friend so on be hye ono na adwuma so ma memra standard authority mpanifo ho na rapalo so emwa yen kakra enti mu ro pa wo nyumai we mu no ene se wo yanyina mu ahoden a ye de ko ye fie mu office schools ene emia hodo mida se usha ansa na obenya kanea anase umfidie ni na be adwuma no eye wiring bi na akoso nti na power no femu na utiminya okanea nti electrical cables anase electrical wires ye hwese nia energy commission for bema wiring technicians ato de aye adwuma no eye nia standards authority for attest ehu se we ye na ye the omu details ato ye website nti wiring technicians numunim se cables a ya chochodin ewo ye website no ya mahu authority say these are qualified or quality electrical wires are mbetimi use ye wo other accessories su ohonomu mi bra yomo ekan ye aside se obekọ your website no de biara no adwuma ye test na ye no ye man update no so platform difference or ewo omuni certified electrical technicians or the two so mo say we mu nkwana ewo se moto
So we got tough for bina a jashisha semba a beji license afro. Inti ye say cables ni other accessories are passing all the electrical tests no kwana ye ma that list na omo dia ma technicians.
Inti ora mo group the whole Ghana na say na mo ye no because better na ebi ana obi nso ya de but say onni mo group ana.
Yes, so and so far say the omo pass November December examination ka ho omo be over 12,000 electricians are yes certify omo nationwide. You know omo direct contact. So to say just even this year you start years throw letter comma GSS omo my list of approved materials omo in sakape ye disseminate ama omo nyina ama omo who say cables no these are the ones. And honestly as a Ghanaian I always recommend the locally manufactured cables no. I prefer them over any other cable. So the three are minimum cable metal, Nexans and Tropical no there. On Saka you are fine. Sure. Yes, they are top brand in the market. So you know more adding kita ho. Yes.
Na mo botaye pa ne say to you sure say like 12,000 certified electricians or more enough. And mo target bia.
Okay. The target ne say you per se electrician be our this country need enka register no. Okay. Now we estimate say there are over 40,000 of them. Now you started since 2013 no. Every year there were 2 examination periods. Okay. This year BA for May June 2022 exam. Deadline for registration will be on April 1st. April 1st. Then never deadline for registration. There were 3 categories: domestic, commercial, and industrial category. And the examination in Yading. Ebumuju say a buglong service asem. And yes, a jumana oye debiana ne ho asem and a ye bisaw. Aha, say sockets, lights, and now cables now uyusu. Go for baby obi wa on call school da nso waba wabetro and na wa pass.
Okay. Mamemra GSA 4 ho. You can referred standard electrical materials referred.
Preferred, yes. Into preferred standard electrical materials, Nyamika Edi can say import Ephraim Ononiba, the port of entry. There were inspectors at our port or omuya physical examination now, oma piki samples about lab. Okay. Yeah, lab test ni we are results ni bichre electrical cable yi papa. Okay. Electrical socket yi, lighting way, all other accessories papa. Ebisu enye papa. Oh, okay. Intinia papa wo dudu aya test no. And na ye say these are the preferred electrical cables and accessories are certified electrical technicians no to me akoto ede ejuma.
Nenti ade na we nyine mu ne yesa wo inferior ones wo mu substandard wo mu because a port one almost starting a dia can kwan say wura mu ahakra.
All over the world there were issue with fake and substandard materials. Then so yenfa say yenya ho hwia en na ye asem kese but so far no ye bo ye ho modern. Your systems are your one and 100%. Until we say container biaba, your mouth access samples. Maybe your frame. Until me far back. Money in our container musun kotesi. Into be sampling. Maybe niawi no papa. Nia air column. Until your market surveillance. After your test or lab on your timiko room. I got to talk. Maybe Nancy ya got to stores because ya got to omu cables be testi ya. Ebi nye performance say cable be size ni 16 mm. Na air kwa kodu baby no. Ya trasu adjoini and edi 6 mm adjoini. Inti power was ever 10 mm no. And one ever 6 mm no. Beshi. Inti so far as a young kasansu yenim say ni maybe wo kromo ho enye standard materials are enkoto. Na ya ma buyers into opportunities say ukoto bibi na unya sure Bragana Standards Authority and I say dey risk it na etobako fabre na yan confirm results ma bibi kakra bi pe na be je free unsem say ye test na ye okay no na so betimi akoto dodo na
sa Amemra Energy Commission ho die ntia was a facility owner onya certified professional the benefit e wo ho ne say
okay me mami enka bakakranka so ndie so ye wo ade ya ye frɛ no electrical wiring accessories regulations eba ono so ebema Energy Commission to me say yen so yen a second eye to standards authority na yen share market no say inferior goods ewo ho and another thing is inferior goods eba into the country because uncertified for no essence omunim say Energy Commission embe hwe ne djuma nti omoto o businessman be ni ho a otoniema ayento is because they are being sold or they are being bought into na order so edeba so Debia Energy Commission the Quran Eco says certified for no omun yusu fake. So these are the measures are from Energy Commission angle ye tackle inferior one. Now we a few wura na who yusu certified electrician we sure say materials are obey yusu no materials are approved by Ghana Standards Authority ensure dying. Kwanya obefa so wiring no so approved by Ghana Standards Authority. So because of that no electrocution say maybe obabi edi prengo bi akoshe socket mu na electrocute no electrician no obe install bibi aye friend no RCD ono and to once there's an RCD installed in your facility and to me ma electric shock it's a shock be bam kra eno a bedum aha ena unim say sometimes even electricity consumption ye kwan bia non certified bet my wiring ama electricity credit na auto ni na be kwa akoshe form ye wodade bia ye friend et ye de shefom sa jeje na 1 year house wiring ni year electricity bet me afa ho akoshe form but who use certified electrician who ye sure say sa nyema nyina unshiabi
oh enti bedena if you run wo hunu certified electrician omo wo he na oba ide na omo ID card bia
okay
prove say omo ye
yes obi a certified omu we a ye ma omo ID card e ma omo certificate esa ma omo forms ni bi so o pese o share electrician na so certified bisa no say ni ID card e wo he oyi kire ona chese oye bia the other way ni say o bet me akọ Energy Commission website omu din wo ho e na omu phone numbers ewo ho uko ubetimi ako download oho ne ya arranging region by region. Now another way ye wo mobile app a ye friend certified electrician utumi download it say WhatsApp u download o mu phone to me ba ne phone number baby a owo etumi ba utumi report to electrician no mpo and utumi rating 1 star to 5 star so ono so ma electricians no ye adwuma no and our human relation with customers here because so okoye adwuma na o rating 1 star me so ochina me ko share electric me ko fa 1 star me ko fa 5 star so and now most of the electrical shops are operated by electricians so uko electrical shop na ubisa no so electrician na ubisa ni ID card sabeka
yaba mo hono de ansam no edo so baba memra yi GSA penifo ho na ye nhwe be de na electrical materials no ehini ebehu like certified ones na hu say ye papa because ene na yura e kan omo etonton electrical wires no menya sure say bi omo abegentity anaso omo electricians business nti say okofa no ma no abeto nti me no mehu obi owo big shop ton bibia bi wom so better no mehu say we ye papa
okay nti my ne simple ama me the electrical cable be ye mfatu ho senia me wording no cable bia e wo say edin wo so
okay
nti you have to buy a branded electrical material or cable say edin wo ho na say e obi dia nti nipa no that is ni
the
brand you can easily locate the person ti ukoton so a ukokromo a obi say obi ahadwa wo table bi so ochina odu ho ni ho biom nti koto material no ewo a shop that you can easily go back and say I bought from you, this is the receipt you issued to me.
Okay.
Cable biano according to the standard it was a standard that you manufacture cable near also. Most of the cables now enye papa no who say your trust standard was so a standards no numbers Into befu say yatro maybe GS HSA Ghana standard na numbers no maybe 60335 ebohu 60227 ebohu cable no ye no he is it from India, is it from Turkey, is it from US? It was a information and cable no so cable no size ben ye 1.5 mm square cable 2.5 4 and so on. Cables are any papa most of the time omo ntro bibia also nti ukoto nyama say ya ye were labeling information I was say we share na sometime I was say we share prices so obi 1.5 mm cable otono say 50 Ghana obi call another shop otono 70 Ghana obi there 150 for the same size nti price difference na was say more information be say hey maybe 150 then na papa and anoka say cable la enye papa no ontimi turn the same price as original. So you have to try to check from other sources cost of the material.
Me say Mr. Nebe yomu akadie akwan a obi pese or join yi no.
Yes, examination.
Sir. Okay, nti e dey na ona no expecting from certified professional.
Okay, say ni dan na ejuma na ode ma no say on why no obeye ni ye o wie nso a otua ne kawi a on ma ono fiewura no any another worker be to say inspector and apprentice say enya any payment issues o wie nso a obe ne sa be can installation completion certificates are your friend ICCs. These are the things he or she expects from the electrician.
But from Dumbesi about what's me chato.
Okay, so me kai amount for say electricians, Energy Commission is certified electricians, and omo ya certified no omo na omo nim wiring. O pe electrician akoye wiring pe obi a oye certified. And a non-certified for no so omo bra say unim wiring. Bra na yen so unhwe se ampa unimana anase unim kwa de obe examination fee no na ye je
omo for how long
examination no examination maximum 3 days. That's the examination maximum because first the be written and maybe theory. Now the second day on my practicals. 60% or 70% of the marks is in the practicals. So once say unim practical no there we are safe.
We are safe. Any no pay madam me famusia na mpacho
me obi kan na say electrical accessories no ye wo local ones are papa ye wo imported ones are papa ni na nso e wo your website nti say upe bibi ato na hu so a odi ofre Ghana Standards Authority a yebeboa
na mi hramu ye do ase enti Energy Commission ne Ghana Standards Authority mpanifo na wo ma tuyemfo a kire yade e wo kwan ye befa so bibia wo hia electricity ne ma bia kwan ye befa so a wo ya no ene no omudi enkomoye omo me ne omo awie ba me kwaba mo nkomo foforo bi oho ye ba ye beto aso. You are my African queen. Enkrano sangura we nyu we boy no we. Otimi asua say ojeje ho. Na nkra ba. Omuti odo na sese ye kra. Ano no we ya ensoma. De du so no so hu hia say ye tie ni yi ntina. Hu hia Kennedy digital satellite. E ba no home appliances nneoma dia. Won mo e woni nyina bi nti o ma pie wa hai. Ebi kwa na omo ye friend say loan die so bi a betimi age no twetwa kakra mebisa ni nyina ma because nipa yeshe u peja ne buma koto ya na no odenti uni obi no so ba ye utwa ne kakra no so ya fine be me na me akwa aba
ya biade
na bibia boko de
ye nkopondom bibia
ye mo afishia panso
afinko metie
afisa se na adwuma ni gina ne nai so
sa pepe
na se kana bantir mu bakra na mututugu ye so sa so
ye da nyame ase
nyame ni matofo mamo
amen
obi am sesent so bibia so because bo no aso ye dada
say e kra ho no de every day ye the new prices ba
ayo
de ho no na ye san che nneoma so every day
wow
sanity o Kennedy
e be dia kwana no ye bia ye
say o to ade nko ade ye san che wade ye ho no de ye se to ade
ni san che wade
Minu aba medase na no pay na machi Adom TV de tie ni Kennedy digital satellite ye de odi out de asem Ghana ha ye ne aba man ne home appliances ha ye 4 na aye akono
na ne di kan sister ye bi adwuma ye pese Ghana ni bi adwuma
oh okay
enu nti ne akofa Kennedy fufu machine di aba eye commercial
okay
se no wo ho na de bia o complain kire o manager na o ka tua nso o kire o CEO ka tua nso na mo ko demonstration ba ye adwuma efo akwanya na abase so bi adwuma so ta say amro ne sa na tie u bi adwuma na wo so ye obi die kakra na fe ko anim fufu machine ho asem a ye ka no sister me kase nyame die no nyam eye adwuma kra chen se watoka oh wo dia ne se wo die wo bepe baabi a ebi atwo baabi ben ana se wo be kokusi mpotemu a wo hwa family for ha omota wo fufu aduane ba kwa Ghana fo yidi pa no nti unya Kennedy fufu machine bia ye wo die yusu eye fuel ene wo die yusu light and one se wo die position a day we nya kra ne 200 Ghana for di fufu pa wo dey imagine say wo dey no dey akosi choba bi nchen a day say ono ada asenfo a wunti obenoa 8 adwuma no so be san koso ntentem enti mesre Kennedy fufu machine no na ye papa ye ne de bae sisi amanfo usua ba me de no de ye obi asunsia bi na emu mo pepa pa obekoto asomdue we akiri na me chese unya problem a bra Kennedy digital satellite ye won kra ne okumase ukokumase adum family plaza brosan nim ho ne wo uko patase nso okumase a ye ben police depot honom ene ebutuo ye ne POFM odan ba akom akra ha ubedu ha wo de fuani kire kaso akwantempo no so ka kire driver ne se ubesi kokoro bite junction ne so ana se weja old barrier honom a bus stop wo nti udu kokoro bite junction ne so ahwe opposite bo se Kennedy digital satellite wo ho make say ebia na wo pentemu ko ya adwuma na wo ya je numbers no
e wo screen na simple
e go ene that screen so no but wo bitimi afre was 0243 074750 0243 074750 and cry number na me dia ma no Kumasi ofre was 0244 385128 0244 385128 ye bejo so fufu machine nya no kwa na ye dia ba o ya san di mako machine aba na mako machine no wo nyaado a be yam jeni be yam kekeduro
garlic no
enya fe ne sisi ye be ma na yam mako a mo mani nyina ayom ya
digital
sa enti bibia ye den
digital ana mo ne ba umia na eko
we say de eno a enti yesre say bia ayi ato ana say we restaurant ana say we choba wedding ne sanu occasion a we aduane bebre we stew bebre we nkwan bebre no say we nya Kennedy mako machine bi na nyam ne feko ma adwuma ne nya mmere enso mfama afi me ba home appliances no so mesre we condition e bo office no etisen office ode bia u blame you technician say o mama electricity bill ekosoro o mu twa odi nya no kre me pa che we condition e cha eye twi light no
ye nyina hoden no
bra ni ma we condition fufuro f brand BLP bi obi ho free 1.5 horsepower ko ni nyina ye obi ho me nka emfa ntwetwe waso odi owura Kennedy sisi a e family plaza brosa ni mu a na wo behu na wo to air condition ba ko e san che ceiling fan air condition ba ko bi abeto bi a ceiling fan ba ko
wow
wo to TV we ho Kennedy TV KDS TV minu wa stress me se wo de owura ho na enia enia ma wo be ko to no je se de wo to bia wo nya ache de umpe we de na wo pe Kennedy nkwa na ye ni sei ya san tete board so de bia mesre ene laundry services e business ba ko akra ha ebumi pa mesre e bia wa wie SHS wa wie university unya adwuma nye ka kire o maame ana papa na ompiska akraba bra beji washing machine bi wonso so fashi baabi kakra wo ba ye besa ache wa yon kra san aka ho umpe we dia na pe washing machine ye wodi e senior man na no asa dry nti na nu na san be say o ye CEO wo we laundry service we ha na wonso wa create adwuma na obi enya bia ye ni enya isa ye bo aban so bo no mesre bo modern bra Kennedy digital satellite. Your numbers ewa Accra 0243 074 750 0243 074 750 and uko Kumasi a ubefre 0244 385128 ufre a ibejo so afi ema no ntie me se be ma no eda so a ma utwumako ewo kwansem kitchen ho na udi we si so uyese na enko yi a ka kire papa ne se onfa honko Kennedy digital satellite ukwa niema wo pe wo kitchen ho bia say fridge e bia ba e bie ne left and say bie ne right. Oh, efe papa.
Sister. Fie kura efe.
Oh, e ma kitchen ya kono. Aduan na ono na nye the crash start to be there. What I say.
E form bono attract.
Obi a meji mi ma ne yere. Bema say open gas cooker no the oven san shim 4 burner, 5 burner, ni de keka ka ho ni nyina e bi wo ho. Fridge bia wo beto bia a chede da ho. And I feel KDS TV, sister. Me say, you who TV and near Fesada. It is Adom TV and what I say, TV no a sign for Uko German so 32 inches, Ubia a ton 1,000 and then 900. But Upa Kennedy Australia a ton 749 cities.
Oh wow.
You pay Ghana full service car fee, no beer so and Mutodo. Mr. So be Adom TV there, Shano Kennedy TV so. What I say, KDS TV, uko baby obinya uko wages see ya bebre na egu ho no ma esel ko fa wo de na so mo a mo pese mu tu bi ton no your wholesale prices mam wo de wo ba ye ne wo be yen hyehye ne aboa wo na fe wo so aye den okobi adwuma wo baby na bibia ye kama wo ya ban adwuma ani a wo de wo ni problem fa wo pay slip ne brain ye hweso ne hwe affordability e wo so a de wo pe wo ho bia be mo asesa akọ na fi atete wo kakra ska ho din na nsen ankrankre ni a wote se me a minu e bujobujwa wonso e bia na wo hia di freezer kese ba kwa kosifie ade a obaye ne se bra wo ba na obehu ne bo na e taku na ne be mu atwatwa na kakra eso a na abepija wa ade na ode ko mpe we opeden e delivery services enti ene all shall pass mu nyina wo ho a ba bia ode de ma ne kubi o ne be kwa kujawo ye omrante a wo to air condition ni bi omo ha be kwa kobo amount se oduro mu ombedu be ko ba bia ko bode kama ama wahu se ebo adwuma utofufuo machine ni bia omu nyina wo ho anso mo ombebo ama ne ma kama ye gas no so ani muti uwura shop ni ma se de omjeje wo so no e akono kra keke enema bia ma fie ene office eye de no eye Kennedy digital satellite home appliances mesi beto ni enche obi tobi ni enche obi utobi ni enche obi na anu mi ko ho Saturday no sister na nya asem
achede nko
e ma no e to ni ma no mo je achede minim se ma se achede mo pesa da
obi ape
e ma pa achede pa enti besre obi bia e mra ya so ye he obi ho pese osua adepam machine no industrial ones ni nyina e di bia ba e na fe tetedie ni nyina bebre enso e ho afi wo pe decoder bia wo pe ahwe wo krom ha na fe wo pese o recharge free Kennedy digital satellite ye be di sa adwuma ni nyina ade amount maka cho say aso ye home appliances there wo ben ya de be show ye ni se so what I say krom ha yen ene wo to ade e che wade ye tete bo no so de bia de magana fo ye numbers no me de be ma popcorn e ye business ba ko a nkwada ne ya munye skapa ya kokra machines ni bebre e de aba eno so to ba ko bia wunya ache de intimesre obi amra magibi na fufu machine no suma e de be sum wages sisi a no wo tema friend wo de ba bia wo akra ha office e wa no just call us you be deliver the amount and once we twa usika na wa kire adekode a ope wa kire de ka ho e sand be ka ho na fi you deliver the amount me the numbers na amount na fi ma sorry na ye nya bre na ato adwumadi no so an kan and one say we be free was 0244 385136 0244 385136 and a fi number ba ko akra no so ye 0243 074 750 0243 074 750 Kumasi say me kan your patasi and sign wo Adum Family Plaza Brosa enim Kumasi numbers no e 0244 385128 0244 385128 and 0207 65 30 31 0207 65 30 31 bra na beto enyoma papa free Kennedy ni ensan chewade yada se
Kennedy digital satellite ana
eno ano
no ye wo pa bia no aka ho asem numbers ne wo screen na se enti fa na ene wo munni enkommo me ne enkommo no ye de asi nemom happy birthday nkoma ohene badwonfo yeboa and then when you're 7 years happy birthday ohene badwonfo yeboa 7 years uko school the best of the best academy nyame hira na ho odin ne bambo papa bina wawofo jimaima na ewhyew de emawo wawofo maame eno papa unuamo maame dakwa na benyiwa omunyina grandma ne obia ye whyew happy birthday nyame hira onyini na be ni patichu abusuom ne oman na wudin enhyeta ochiame amu akoda kwa maame afiate ne wa happy birthday 80 years awo nyame hira onkoso mo ho ban saa mfama ye ahodim mu nyansam nyame hira no onye okese pa nti na 14th fo ni nyina no wish mu nyina happy birthday nyame enhira mo medin e de afia amankwa tamaklo me na metina mu na ye koyo mahene kwabna sante e de mpense mu to aso me na wo be kofia mpedu ase Priscilla dache hene afei Christopher Kinsobo wa ha na afei Ike yada mo ase papa osofo mu nyina so yada mo ase papa nyame hira me kono mahene ato aso.
Well, ya saba da wina ma se to enkomo so anu si ma menka say no nkol pepepe ye peja emuna enkomo de bibia timi akoso kama edi amayemi sabi ma quickly me emphasize enkrai entwem. Now when we are back we have a conversation. It's a celebration of celebrating a mother. Bishop Yawusu as a good morning to you baby obia. In this case, our dear mama, the late Dorcas Abna Nyako Owusu, Auntie Mary, the Bishop Owusu and Sunday Bushina, and a pay Mamo Yako, Mode, Nay, no share, Nabetoha Amaye. On the 19th of February, a need to Pemna Fe, the same 19th, no Cote de Diacon, a Ben D&D Kiddie Care, a ho, ana a year and painful. Tenase na fi yakọ akotenase ewia don kokopim no nsia ewo KNUST Poolside Park Kumasi akotenase aye you know to mention so na asie som no ebe no wo Faith Assemblies of God Church Tafunshia so Kumasi 9 a.m. to 12 midday nti yen share so nti the late Dorcas Abna Nyako Owusu to my friend Auntie Mary. Then she shared here from the 19th to the 20th of February 2022. Brasso see the and come on one same pen for Tanasia and sa Mamenka said Titus Niqua Tay Glover and Feyera or Henny Bequin so at Tanasi. The Ebony didn't come a boy Magana can't call Ghana and Punto Nigana Bibiano. Bibia Timedim a weep. Majority baby and also Argent Chibia. Obeso de basa akonya nda omo a ebere no ema ekwan ebe ma so timi sergeant che no etimi ede abre enim nyoma dodo na akoso ewo Ghana na adwenchira wodo nso a efrimu aba nti why crowd say also betimi do adwenchira bra we are grateful for sa also adwenchira wodo ebre na fi de ka ho bia so no yetimi ede aka ho ede ama. I'm only happy that the MPA now I'm putting measures one bit me a review a year and you might be bria a coso a year found word you manuma enkoyi and family, especially the fight against fuel smuggling, very important in the Domas is so much as ya omutusa a year anamono. Mamma Rohini Bequina Kwaba, all about Kwaba.
Yeah, which is so.
We follow suit. Happy Valentine's Day. Your dosron could die. I
made a Valentine no dear. A man won't share, then so say. And your man crying at your one day. And your door. Or your Barney Bema. And yet, very good observation. A very good observation. There's a man who say on a Valentine Day, it's almost to me 2 and much of Bema, dear. Effect. You know, and you see it, that was because when they won't be a no. I had to say that they be a yes, it's a small, almost any moment they be a yet do you know, it's where the press love Vodafone Anaman, where the woman know what Nanso Valentine and your mother, a yard of water. Instead of phones, your man in Mema. Serum, I'm glad the Swiss are beginning to want to remember my chair, Mardiano. No man, so ye a chair, Mema. Fear man, quarter, Maclu, come, it is a mati. Yes, I feel a motion to learn him say, and now queer a dog for the biada, Madonna, the biada. A two penalties if you are calling from a crack border. Or baby, he says, a bear man said, say, obey na do it. Ya beya do ye no ntu won so nye yimbi. Say ya do fu nyina. We dey want my button or ya choko no kakra because there's a
I'm over there as you too much. But that's for him to see me. And I'm never to get you. Like what is he saying?
Oh, but you don't know.
Bibiana me kwazo.
Oh,
ya touch mo kwa nika kana gatas bi
oh, Bibiani baby. Abi hwe nko.
Omo ye gata bi
ya. Oh,
oh, really?
Oh, Bibian ko hwe. Oh, aba was achim. Bibian ko hwe ho. Adesu ni aye no. Ya ye wie eda ho. Ni akeso mo ye no. Ye hwe won akoye akwanya. Da bia me ka cho apa was achim. Adesu ni potem ya kwanya ye gusukuta ye ba ko ne fa. Me kire omu. Na da yinkura si ya kwanya yinkura. How do you call it? District. Into Newma, if me kura ha me kura could be for baby che. Ni abema e ho ne yinsu na bohye. Na ensu ba betoi. E asem kuto. Be fi wa beba. Ukofa fi kumi krum e be fa offense en kwa mo akwa kwa fa wo man ye. Wo be fa bam krum de kosi obi ni mi da be si nya no e asem. Ukofa ne mipom ekofa nchecheche e de fo a ko sukenan a de kokodwa matimetim e yasem nti ahifa bi oni enga nti akwan ni de omunka ya pa wasachim
okay
yeah
so that's e be kwa go try ho aba ye ba pe ye to en komo no so a ye kwa ba. Well, yes, I'm a 12 million. So I'm saying Daniel ni quarter titles Glover at Tenase. So na nimya for Ohene Bekwen. So at Tenase, Komono is about Ghana and quite be first to Ghana between 2 point na yeshna and tumana. If you see a friend, they be their friend is you know. It's my friend to my pa. Eddie Efra. Honorable ni quarter titles Glover. Good morning. Makacho said continue to watch the space. Any cause wouldn't know where they grow. Bibia eboko. Still the constituency that you lost. And you lost heavily, Anna.
Of course, yeah.
Not according to enemy. You lost and you lost heavily. Surprisingly, if you still pass through the constituency, they are still saying if it had been you, you'd have done something right or something. What's happening in the constituency?
Oh, what is happening? I've lost. I've moved on, and it's a self-inflicted. Dedika mamincha yashofonyina. Namincha me colleague honorable. So anyone kasa. But you see, you know, it's a self-inflicted skirt and blouse. MPP there, your position, you do your humpa. By your nyakunya, you be sunga na manya. Honan titimu, any nyame ediba. So that was the cause of me. What Fanny saying? The buyer. And this in your nyakunya, honorable Nati. Dear Oye what TMA, revenue mobilization contract. Minyo minti obi. Ejuma, any no mini ejuma. Any edina ko yoko. And yoko should the same since 2018. Yantumi amfana nko koten nyeshi 1 week to general elections. And said they don't call. And apart from skirt and blouse now, party for Yedi Tiamino, he also had sympathy because he did unfortunately mean a mama yachino. Meanwhile, I have no hand in it. I've moved on to Temaisi. So it's a concentration for national organizer. And also now, made him a juma. Many can say, I'm not going to do it. Me free out last week, Saturday. Mato, northern region. Mato, northeast. Mato, upper east. Northern region, Mr. Shewa Pandai. Me ye Wulinsi. Me ye Bimbila. Me ye Yendi. Me ye Gushegu. Me ye Karaga. Me ye Myong. Me ye Savlugu. Kumbungu, Tolong, Sanalugu, Tamale North, Tamale Central, Tamale South. Me we no and a many chile, if anything. Northeast. If it Tamale Befa Yendi, Ediko Chiriponi, Bunkudugu, Yonyo, Nalugu Gambaga, Wale, you die the next morning. The last constituency in Northeast Yagabakobori. And you were far Wale Krum, and I come Wungu. There's a bridge, big white water, no. But yeah, bridge near so you have to make a detour to passing now with their call Yagaba. You Yagaba no, and I made many children from Bulsa South, Sandema, Bulsa North.
Local government expert.
Yeah.
Chanapaga, Navungo Central, Bolga East, Bolga Central. Yeah, we are no any idea, any chile.
Kusasi constituencies no yɛkɔ Timpani yɛba Garu yɛba Bunduri yɛba Zibila from Zibila eba Nabdam no Brazoa ne Tiogo then you get to Nabdam now why Bongo then Talensi all these places with touch base to address people maybe you me ban on the eastern corridor no Krachi Nchumuro Krachi West Krachi East any biakoye I touched on all these places talking to party people and the mais no fortunately for us we'll take that seat back because there has been some reconciliation that has gone on to make sure say we'll let go of all these things that has happened and then there
so then I'll catch you for what I'm
near me catching one to say Titus Glover has gone through the mill. I'm a typical grassroots person, you know it. Sabi yeti amanyokui 1991 Dankwa Dombo Buza club no na yenim say former President Rawlings ebe lifted the ban on politics. So when people before now started say you mobilize you organize you immediately you lifted ban on forming people no we were there. I've been a party agent 92, party agent 96, assistant secretary 98 to 2002, assembly member on the ticket of the party, member of the Greater Accra campaign, national campaign. I've been an elected member of that parliament for 2 terms. We call level 100, you call parliament first. One of the powerful standing committees, a appointment committee. And easy. Say level 100, Ubaya now work front line. And my contribution, they know. Then I am deputy ranking member on the Committee of Trade, Industry and Tourism. You Winnie Power no, and you am chairman of that committee. Unfortunately, it was short-lived. Na presidency member Kanu to serve as deputy minister for transport. And they say, Obi, a national organizer. Obi, I walk through the mill. The mobilization drive. Now, organization a skill. Yeah, the work yes, with human so. And the American I'm not coming to attack any personality. What I can do, and then I make catch it all. I'm sure so. Now, me national organizer, I'm in Trankline. I'm not sitting in Accra. I've always been at the beat to make sure, say, what would deserve to do campaign. I would near President Kufado, any Dr. Baumia says, let's say, and Ghana for a better was. You're breaking it, you're 12 months so. Ayo, na Ghana for a song.
Can come up here, but the other sort one, the politically say, you're a connection to Manka said, you're breaking 8, but you're twice accord. You see the difference? Oh, breaking 8, yeah, almost twice there.
So one like catching say you're breaking the 8. One who said, baby, all the age one I could do. You won't break out, more coin ye. Ghana need say we are breaking the 8 in every year. Emma Fufra to I see. Ghana fire assessment, no. I should not done quite Fufado, anybody whom you are buying. And I want to share at Tamel's John Dramani Mahama buying the wonderful 4 years of JDM's government. Into one can say who near fear say Kosu or Manimo. And then one near my work can be a brown opposition. A buyer opposition and I want a tundi. Say a baby you two if you only the rumor I day. I'm share to a night. I buy it to me catch a Ghana for say any half war, I buy any half war, and not chain tour. As now by your mind. I buy your catch a Ghana for say, Bussia be John Mahama, Bussia, I fit in Kruma Briss with your Mahama. Near the cow 122 billion. No, you catch a Ghana for say, dos, no buy no dim fees, yape. Or the year call over 340 something. You must mass nashe. It's Ghana for I buy no camp petrol some. I went to end this. I buy a car which is some GDP and inflation. Of my penny for politics. No my penny for politics. Or the show to and GDP and single what and single what. Now one casa, one show banner, my penny see a tree go to come near tree and until one casa who say 8 remember no didn't come by the young breaking 8 no. Then I can't yet to your mama then breaking the outcome. Breaking it down. If you would 11 aba. If you have to bottom tax, now would have been for no. At to bottom tax. 7 a 2 hash. A hash. At to bottom. Mammy, so when you hash. You let me see cash a bottom 2. It is cash and mammy. Yet Jamaica, Obi so the Babona Bossum, Obi did the Abasha Possum, Obi did the Abasha Kutokum, Obi so did the good phone so. No, the good phone so. Network na man akwan otumi diska komo bi no wadene 1% or dene sa 1% na watete ne bibia awie na afini ko awie a aban wakote ne to so efe bi de na aka no wo so ba jisu ska enne yenko bia akotokuom ne de ne kotoku mu no wo hia no a at bottom company of Ghana wo do sachet kotoku mu no 1.75 na okọ e san say me de no gumi phone so e na wo ti 1.75 obi di de gu ni kotoku mu eni ti sa na be yie bia o mo ti sa company ni bia na wo mo de bi so akọ bank obi a bank balance bia no ni penti na de no akọ 1.75 abaya ye ka ho asem ni nti me de me nua nase en wo hu say break the 18 bia ba so ewi yeah nti boni bia edim but obetumi aye adwuma no ne de minimum no oyem senior me koto no parliament minimum na ho keka me di na chikakra abra no ye minister obi anim honorable titles nti sa position no ko ne de our edge
ba 8 ne de
18 de am to aso na mo no nko ye adwuma o ye no do one position na wa ko pre obi aso mo ko position no ye adwuma na enchai bia ye twa be ye fidi nsia obetumi de ho ababa
twi no kan ze wo do nwura ebi
ono wa do anwura
wo do wa no do nwura
ebi wo ko wa no na wo de do
je di mbia ni mi records Ghana ha o eti bakui
if it's about records I think that what people say is it's easy to point to certain things you see Ghana for do na share what you can easily point
I know we know Sedia or si manage economy
especially when you have been started say what busia we hu de what de wo so am gusu kaka za no
look is he
yeah
say sebi wo hu dia wo bonati ya sana bekasa
say hu dia o
ya na ho so bekasa sa me free oti I went to the Eastern Corridor when I was coming. Go and see the railway development the Nado government have done. Unprecedented. The railway behind my mother's house, Mama Fiedechi, Japan Motors from the port, behind Japan Motors, cocoa processing, GTP, Tulaku, Matayeko, all the way towards Mpakadan. Kocho Juma Yayo. And the Wuzu Wu ya. And send up as a
out of what normally kakasa
opposition there they be also punch your mind send your feeling
but you just don't punch
please so I've told you one example is the railway infrastructure that we have put there now as I just kaketwa now NDC for sebi madaruma in natural phone NDC is the problem of this country you need free SHS about what did they tell us? They spend money. Ya baha ebe tweska e ya advert. Say free SHS enya de papa. Ahun ye kaze be take 20 years as a free SHS. And ye di free SHS. Mfaso be na enye free so.
Na free SHS ne papa mni.
Me say mfaso be na enye free.
Ne papa mni.
Me say even if there are challenges in free SHS, parents ebi watom sabi. Ama reliever and MPs or not bisa no. Before free SHS ba say no e papa no. That parents what they go through. In my first time in parliament, Mimi Nimdam Fem and second time free HSA. So parents have been given some respite. A boy, Sasekano, you back with papa. What does it? And then we'll catch it and say, a vessel to do bottom tax. Obien knew a person tax. Nobody want to pay tax. When you look at the concentration of Ghana for air to I look at this last population. Almost less than 2 million people. Less than 2 million people. Now, Musi Ajibusia. So how do we develop this country? How do you develop this country?
In our question, listen, John Mahama has given us the options.
Listen,
Maybe John Mahama has given, even before John Mahama, the conversation around is that as a country, especially under my watch, Yanshena Nyoma Bibra, Enyugua, Enkoyi, Emma Omansika Semne Kwa, Etosin and Etochemo. Yansheni Entry San to Kruno. Who do any to Nyoma Bibri mu or my Ghana more? There's too much.
Come on.
There's too much.
NDC have issued a statement. They issue a statement on levy.
Yeah.
The Omo Kenya buy and what is the meat in the soup? No? And he said, a successful execution of these resolutions will undermine government revenue mobilization effort and force government to go to the IMF, a situation that will inure to our benefit and ensure a successful agenda 2024. Kindly take note of the above and act accordingly. This was a letter that was addressed from the National Secretariat to all NDC MPs, all members, functional executive, national regional. Please. Please, I have this. Please, say I'm deciding on the fake. Please, this is not fake. We know what NDC is doing.
Careful. I buy the botechino. Because they say no. A buyer name say if a man for so 2 seconds. Yes. And NDC for American temper.
So you believe what NDC is saying? Look at the actions. Look at the actions NDC for here.
So look, you can just continue your argument not based on this letter.
Don't do this. Nobody want to pay tax. What to be sit down? What to assess? Sit down. I bet take what's up in. But the end of the day, government property, pure property tax.
And you live in a tax.
And you no fear. I beg you. Obi sit down. Abanteku semponim. At the end of the day, said the dynasty no, you proper tax ebetoso. But you are now you pay. So what is this business of a friend saying? When you go into the religious sect, you're quite sorry the more tight and every month piano. Tight that we pay every month. It's a form of a levy. When you go into the Quran, the zakat talks about how we levy themselves within the church, within the mosque. Every Friday, be a kita plate. Your bomb pie we are. Every feast be the lie. It's a form of sadaka. So if we are saying say a tuona ye jiwa bontene ya doso any hunsi. So we need to generate revenue among ourselves. To be kakra ne mfanya. What you want to say? Because someone say munya munja ya na gana fonto abontia ye. Why are you making city on high horse, ranting and all over the place? Why is it on high horse?
The challenge is that already we are in pain, so we cannot control
Please, we need revenue to develop this country. What does it? Sika, generating locally. The emphasis 2 million people, over 30 million people. How do you pay the taxes? Where are you going to get the money to pay?
Okay.
With the Utu Konka Buruchia, the YFN, Ukayode. Way beyond the Mutuan, the Kakanka, and the Yedim Putujuma. You remember the talk tax? Okay, talk tax. President Guvodi Bayano. And this was say, yeah, no,
it was fiercely resisted.
Absolutely, same one. They have not changed. Power, they increased the taxes, double fold. So what is this business of all these rantings and this way, Mumpesi revenue? Because the new say revenue bar, so that's all the noise that they are making. Okay. So continue, make the noise.
Yeah. Obian can say, imagine your tax, and this can't be done. Now we are tax there. Now, man, penny abedi tree, abedi president, Doctor Mahmoud Baumia. I said, men of count Momotazo. Oh, and I also refi. Before this introduction, I said, men of Baumia guy. Baum says, a Momo tax there, my and do a year. And your Kurasa Yabaji, one vice president. And you know, head of the economic management team. Oh, Pacho, Yatina Nokasa. We are challenging them. They are guru in economics. On can say not dream. On this one. Why do you think I want them? Because on can say themselves near corner day and you win your tax. Aba, me am a miska. My big more friends say, Adom. What's your mika? What's your baby or Janhoka? Maybe me phone so. But you want to a man, your mamma quine, Amadia Comobino. Obidi Dias and Kutokum, also called Jisuska. Crope na your taxi capital. This is the Abawi. Crope in the Missika, and done the good medical yadimano, yet tax. If you want to say tax no crowd, yet when we come, we are going to move from taxation to production. And if you acquire taxation double 200%. No. You see, Niamu Kano, share now come to Juma. adwuma bi ye kese aban wetumi ye nsabre no na ye adwuma NDC aban and at most John Dramani Mahama as a shato no mutumi ye.
But that's no news.
No news. Thank you very much. Me do to send to us aban and to us. But someone cassette me initiative be ever party in terms of project.
There are a lot of new schools are from Clean to Crank.
Because someone see secondary school for back one.
No. I don't know what you say.
Maybe so. So now the back.
Adam, see there are a lot of secondary schools or structures from Clean to Crank.
Education committee and development. I was a member of the.
But we expect a lot of projects or more.
Now, what they get for the 5 billion. Mr. One so there day. Existing schools and almost somebody could improve infrastructure.
Expansion is as a phone.
But you are expanding and why establish.
But you are crank to crank.
I your friend then. Near friend then. Who make school as a major. Oh, Omunyashi. Anything you say, what is the car wadiji? I have revenues on wadiji. I have both tax and non-tax. You cut tax at 2G. We can on tax business guy in your fee, ye frank woman won't can na at the boom. Now the Bussia Kanwa are buying way in 5 years. No, what the over 450 billion. Now because then I'm
buying to us all the contract. What the contract? What the contract? I won't see who ever now buying this is Utria.
Because when you answer, I brought John Dramani Mahama. Now, audio mine, Bosia Boko do 120. Then no one tells you. No, Jessica, no, Tria, but I was saying, I have a missing one briso. The John Dramani Mahama, Akamos Abian. Every do 122 Jawono. Sani a year, we were paying loans and now mature.
There's nothing new.
Nothing new. More by a wood in fear. At the loans. And could over what's a cocoyan contano.
I don't want to once here.
You never to once in your way. I'm gonna afford Jassie. Can afford Jassie. I buy you be a Jebusia. Tomama can count of project over project. Namusi or Jebusia do. Yende you buy yem a Jebusia. Yende you buy yem a Jebusia. I buy me half for not Jebusia you're buying. Mobile and Fiancia. Shenamudia account. Musikere munya 450. And yet, Mama, and your team be to wa. And can very buy. Sigom go for Silazin for Yasan can go in Yankofa.
Okay.
And you are talking about Shakovi. Shesika Yenya, natural contown by a train. In kind of way. They must stop it because Omun ye, your friend saying, Chi or Casabiaca. Omun Yan Kunte, Buba Pebi, Emma, Omun and Tre. Niagana the share one son.
So on 11,
no. Because 11, and yet when you won't see car. Ghana is clear in terms of taxes, revenues. You busia wako jegu and swa. Ebeda wacho yenu. I won't find your no. Must say we have 6.9 billion. Yes, I'm going to target way.
But almost pass here.
6.9 billion. Almost pass here any way. Mr. 6.9. A few way. Who show the test of the general report? The Abeka Hunwa. 12 billion now. And look how the offense are here.
Because you didn't remove Basse.
Yes, it's a quantum leap.
No problem, but there's a challenge we have. There's a challenge we have in this country. The challenge, especially in relation to this auditor general report, now a good example. I'm a assembly bako. Ede krata bas. Abetudwa auditor general report him say omodeka sikasunu say it was an infraction. So they've rectified that one, and that report does not hold.
Thank you very much.
So a lot of things happen.
Let me use yours to finish my argument.
Yeah.
I would have said I'm a DC.
Yeah. Very good. Yes, very good.
I know
you are in a better position.
Yes. I know what is infractions. Now, a sit down. Now, buying beer or want to be a female, now cost by a beer. Move from money and we are my bay. Obiaba, if you want to be a better so. Afi, let to 2, 3. A doom. If I try by Bonnie and Mubuno. Why is it that those infractions and leakages are quantum leaping under your watch?
But they are there. But a manageable.
Yes.
But when a page
under any infraction, Biano.
A little bit of
the more bigger your issues,
Yes, no much
the more bigger nneɛma yi hyehyɛ aseɛ aban ne mbɔ ne ho mmɔden adadi ɛnɛ wotie projections a yɛbɛhiti match no na yɛtɔ a liter of fuel about 8 cedis.
These are projections.
Projections.
It could come back.
Now, offense, budget not go to an
It could come back.
Budget not go to an budget never parliamentary. Projections of income and expenditure. And I win the same projections. No,
in this case, you are projecting that by the end of. But it's scary. We are saying money payable shishino. It is projection. Yeah.
And Emma, you are datching, you are doing datching.
Okay.
Because when we crash up, one that.
Okay, so honorable titles Glover, where the when with the mom and I
a West MPP government is far better than an NDC government.
A West MPP government
is far better than
MPP amanyo kwa omo kura ombumaya a year chance
far NDC. Oh your analysis be ozi omo buy busi omo jatu won ye dey be page media ko. So if you want to go back, now we share kufo car kufo jatu ho and now roll is jatu ho the akufo de be kan wo so di akufo de how was it?
Yes, I ain't quitting though.
I mean, how is it? I mean, that is
yes,
a very
but for free baby, for free baby.
You understand?
Men come boom.
For
free baby. I'm going to check. For free in common now. Saa mfomso nketenkete bia wesia ogitum se ewo ho na de ne ho adwiri ne se momo de no se mfomso no kro eba ba ko mienu momo de eba edunum edunsia e che se bibi atosi what
I say recently before I traveled na levy community engagement na finance minister obi bisa no question we about 12 billion infractions here what dey I'll change mu ye pa the way is the impression I did to abonto
yeah this can be
na enya sa na city here. In fact he gave a very thorough explanation on that arrangement some fraction abano anti the NDC for no ka say when say na aban yeti wana ye discover that is not how it is well, that is not how it is you see ozi ye discover na ye discover na ye woko there is model schools are yesi me do tajolete Bandai. There's one of the model schools near Yesi, I will not the region. Bigger than your mama, you know. Model school be all. Who Achim, if any say, you offer a Makwata ho.
Kwabi and I say, Kukrantimi and now
Etiwa West.
Etiwa.
There's one of the model schools, Yesi wo. They've built a lot of these model schools all over the place. Education. You see,
I'll just get the list because
you understand. Roads. You see, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? What tete mo kasa opposition kata? My I don't want to budge. I say best say show no. Me you how my ma wo fe na. And now you want to get up and go? What you also hear the own country.
Oko asem so be boa. Oko asem so be boa.
Let me see. A lot of road infrastructure is being done. Maybe by Eastern Corridor. Go and see what is done. Eastern Corridor. Yeah. Wufrim Kwanta Urban. The contractor is busy on the road. From Babila to Yendi. Asphalt. All over to the place. I walk on so. From Venice and from Yendi to Gushegu. Diabetu and Yagusu Yejuma. And you want to now what in cry. You are going don't go to the countryside. When you what you can but I can tell you, we have been prudent. We are managing resources very well. And then the end is what is it? Because opposition in Russia, 5 years in opposition, came to say, Ghana, that is not so. But mean to mean, Tramin can say, Bibia better. Of course, challenges war. I go so, yes, in the Kakra, Abutu Yemwa, Ebedin Kwanso. But not the end is where you say your mama, dear, obey you. What are we talking about? What are we talking about?
But can you compare to your mama?
Why can't we compare ourselves to your mama? NDC. Why can't we compare? Ghana
nothing compares.
That is the NDC language. That is the NDC language. But when you go to the grassroots and we see the things that we are doing, nothing will tell you that we are not joking. We are working. MPP under Nanado's government is doing its best under this circumstance. You can't cover the Muslim and can't cover it. Look at what is happening in Europe. What is happening in America. Even the world advanced countries, look at the way they manage COVID. And you think Akufo-Addo has not done best? Please.
Yeah, Sika eba COVID.
Sika ne ba ye
no. Yeah, how most managing the
Sika ne ba no.
As any management.
Sika ne ba no. Sebi.
Kuntebu be adana ne
suspicious. And COVID ne ba Nkofo test. The government take care of the cost. Have you forgotten? Ghana for na ye test. Dr. Okoboy wamba and mekasa wa. COVID ne ba ye no. Nkofo di omuko gu and say isolation na no. Government take care of those things? You don't know? And you may teach and government triaka.
And your money angwan
please government triaka
angwan money sardine na angwan
enye duane
the cost na attach na
problem enye duane na sabi obi a comedy nipa no money duane dia what do
okay so minute back e be sa ba ya try come so ya kwaba Yasaba quickly, my men for winter, my men chair half of Foyina, and I'm chair George Boachi. Yera George Boachi, Bomodiana move into action. Katebia Demenimwano. Notice of demonstration against Newmont Ghana Gold Limited for site. Looking Katana is on the Tuesday, 15th of February 2022. And the areas that Omujina Sodiasa Yachirewino is white paper implementation, Kenya City Township roads, Kenya City to Hwidium, employment issues, management refuses to respond to our invitation letters, death of 2 schoolboys who got drowned into Newmont Dam, NUCO management hiring non-local vehicles for transportation services in Ahafo, Newmont inciting police personnel to beat our community members, and other managerial positions for community citizens. Mr. Remo, Era George Boachi, quickly, we have some few hours. I think anything is possible. Let's move into action. Now, calm nerves down. Na bibia intimi enko kama enfa my afo should not be in the news for wrong things. It should be in the news for nyoma edim puntu ni nkabom ene papayo eba. Enti under the able leadership of George Boachi, nana no munyina mama mwachi anope mesrese Ibitua na more quickly na yahwese ibitimi esisa dewe ano ekwaya very very important. Mr. Mumenhwe na into anamo intempa. The report studio I'm say Daniel Ni Kwate Titus Glover national organizer hopeful for the new patriotic party anafe yera ohene bekwini nyamfo kanem rashibejani ema achim
upper west
achim
so like
na wako committees bibili so say DC pay nti e basa nkomo we dia the doc was just 3 minutes because Brennet here
is a Brennet so nti me can say me can say mama yen hwe ne people we throw
okay
eye ne friend says Standard Bank Group Limited ye kan Ghana skasama atwape na pro
okay
and na ye change showa yentia but na say group we become almost say omontiase adena those rating bodies in way yenti na Standard Bank Group and so can
almost saying
or say a study conducted by Standard Bank Group Limited has shown that Ghana is part of the fragile 5 indebted nations in Africa.
Fragile?
Yes. Indebted 5 indebted nations. According to the study, the 5 fragile economies, which include Kenya, Angola, Ethiopia, and Zambia, and FIPAM, will face debt risks over the next 2 years, Bloomberg reported. Oba Ibioha, me tuatem every new me kaina me chemu kakra betri mu a na ye jemu atwa. Also, the head of African research at Standard Bank Group added that it will be difficult for Ghana to improve its fiscal position without the IMF because its revenue because its revenue estimates are too ambitious, and also cutting down its expenditure will be difficult due to public sector wages and debt service costs accounting for more than half of its expenditure.
Mention me kwate
oh you treat program
no mention me
yeah what solution to it was it as a result of what Public sector
data. Okay, Mate. You say, me na me kind. You na get me so.
You've explained what you read. You've explained it all. And in the debts now is including loans from previous governments under our time. And you free wa. That is why we need to develop schemes that you pay domestic revenue. Ya peja ya de be yejuma and na ya kanti bia wo kan de any de ya fanto chen. Me so me dey am to about one of the topics to be discussed about arresting of media people, prosecution and the idea no. IGP on page 20 and the Daily Graphic, you see, no one is above the law. I think journalists, you have a responsibility. Knowing you from Oman FM, where we work together, when you sit behind a console, before you speak, you know that whatever you are churning out has facts to support whatever you are saying. What do you mean, sorry? Now we can't say the good movie, the good animals. And so, man, defending one, who's an idea, suppression of the press. And yes, and yet, nobody is above the law. And every journalist, beer, who person we hear with you, check who fat ye. Okay. Check who fat ye. They will not going to have any problem. The baby, omodi journalists, they be politics now crack with judgment. And no more yellow. And what? Mona more shaping the nation. But when you are shaping nation, more making sure more the facts. Backed by the law. But you don't just get up and start denigrating people, attacking people, and saying all kinds of things. Okay. And the IGP cannot say nobody is above the law.
Okay.
Well, 30 seconds. Yeah. But money if you say, opening or maybe criminal libel, no, and nanado. So why they are roots, they are tunnels to deal with some of this matter. The very criminal libel nanado no can be. Under President Kufuor. Why are they bringing them back?
If you are behind them and they are doing those things, go and talk to them.
Gentlemen.
Get people to speak. What are you saying? We are not saying don't speak. Speak responsibly. Stop bringing back the criminal libel law. Speak where? Speak libel law no. And the offense yeyi. Ompani Kufuor buy no yeyi. Atamesu buy or the ejuma. John the money mama buy or the ejuma. Nana do buy wasan ko fa dia. Anya mo feri. Enya kasa yie.
Right,
nobody is above the law.
No, but we don't need the IGP. We all have to be responsible journalists and citizens. That's all.
Absolutely.
Okay, so you're Debbie.
And the journalist kasa gbagba.
We don't do bagba for people to come to power. We do constructive criticism. That's the most important.
What he's talking about.
All right, so Elbisia. Enjoy your Valentine's Day.